students, today we will continue our reading of block 17, Earth and its neighbor. So this is your content book. Open page number 4 of block 17. Okay, block 17 volume 3. Today we will study about the moon. Students, before starting our reading, let's revise what we studied in the last class. हमने last class में क्या पढ़ा था? So students, there is a solar system. Okay, there is a solar system. In solar system, every planet like Earth and other planets, they move around the sun. अर्थ और सारे प्लैनेट किसके चारों तरफ मूव करते हैं? सन के. एंड सन इज अ ह्यूज बॉल who gives light and heat to us. Sun is a huge ball who gives light and heat to us. Okay, and with sunlight plants can prepare the food. And in the last class we studied about the shape of the earth also. Shape of the earth is like a round ball. Okay students, so today we will study the moon. Okay, so students, what is round but not always round? When do you see the moon? Do you see it every day? And what does it look like? We see moon at night. हम चांद को कब देखते हैं? नाइट में. And moon can be of white or silver in color. Okay beta, so today we will study about moon. So read with me. The moon is a satellite of the earth. Beta, what is satellite? Satellite is anything which moves around. Satellite क्या होता है? Satellite is an object that goes around a planet. Satellite is an object that goes around a planet. Okay, planet के चारों तरफ मूव करता है. बट मैंने आपको क्या बताया था कि all the planets move around sun. सारे planets किसके चारों तरफ मूव करते हैं? sun के. But moon, I can explain you how moon is moving. See, this is earth. Every planet is moving around sun. Earth is also moving around sun. But moon is moving around earth. Moon जो है वो earth के चारों तरफ मूव करता है. This is the reason moon is a natural satellite of earth. So beta, what is satellite? Satellite is anything which moves around our planet. So moon is moving around earth. So moon is natural satellite of earth. Okay beta, every planet moves around sun. सारे planet sun के चारों तरफ move करते हैं. But moon is the only planet which moves around earth. Okay, next, the moon goes around the earth. The moon is smaller than the sun. Moon is smaller than sun. It is also round in shape, but we see different shape of the moon from the earth. Beta, moon is also round in shape, but we see different shape of the moon. Sometime, yes, hemisphere. Okay, तो why? Because कभी आधा दिखाई देता है मून, कभी मून का छोटा सा हिस्सा दिखाई देता है. Why? Because this is because we see only the part of moon which receive sunlight. Okay, जो part, see, सन क्या करता है? लाइट एंड हीट प्रोवाइड करता है. यस और नो? सन इज प्रोवाइडिंग लाइट एंड हीट टू अर्थ, बट मून इज मूविंग अराउंड द अर्थ. व्हेन मून इज हेयर बिटवीन सन एंड अर्थ, द मून इज कंप्लीटली शोन. इट मीन्स मून पूरा कब दिखाई दे रहा है? जब सन और अर्थ के बीच में आ गया. सो सनलाइट occurs on moon and that is a full moon. Okay beta, so the moon does not give own light. moon की खुद की light नहीं होती. moon can pass the light of sun only. life is not possible on the moon because it does not have एयर और वाटर. मैनी पर्सन गोज ऑन मून. बहुत से पर्सन मून पे गए हैं. सो स्टूडेंट, वन थिंग रिमेंबर, फर्स्ट पर्सन हु गोज ऑन मून इज नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग. हु गोज फर्स्ट ऑन मून? नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग. हु गोज फर्स्ट ऑन मून? नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग. ओके, सो लाइफ इज नॉट पॉसिबल ऑन द मून बिकॉज इट डज नॉट हैव वाटर and yes, air. Okay, without air we can't live. Okay beta, so few point you have to memorize that moon is a satellite of earth and moon does not have their own light. moon की खुद की light नहीं होती. moon can pass the light of sun. There are many astronaut who have been to the moon. बहुत से astronaut moon पे गए हैं. So which astronaut? number 1 astronaut who goes on moon? Neil Armstrong. Okay beta, so read this page carefully and we will meet in the next class. Bye, take care.